Hi, welcome
Hi.
everybody. I'm Chris.
And I'm Christy.
And this is the Chris and Christy channel. We're doing a live update. We got ammo today. We got 3 boxes of Federal American Eagle 38 ammo. 150 rounds. Last three boxes at Bass Pro. And you can see, let's open the box, take a look at these. It's like gold, and they're Hardpoint Full Metal Jacket, and 150 of them. And we got lucky on this, really lucky.
You happened to call up the store and
Yeah, happened to call the store asking if they had any ammo in, and they had it in the return bin, which hadn't went back upstairs yet, and said, well, I got like 3 boxes in the return bin that somebody brought back, and I got them. So got really lucky.
got lucky. We called them up.
And for a decent price too. You know, this stuff is selling online for $3 per bullet. So this would cost like $150 online. They're charging $3 per round for 38 ammo. And we got it for like 25 bucks plus tax. So for the price of, let's see, 150 a box times 3, so 350 for 450. So we got for about 75 bucks. What? Well, a little bit more than that with tax, but anyway, under $100 for what some people's paying like 400 something for. But just wanted to show you guys we got a good ammo score today, and we'll be back tomorrow with another video.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy, and don't lose hope. There's ammo out there if you are diligent enough and you call and ask and
Badger them enough.
yeah, if you call places, you'll find it. I guarantee it. But hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, stay armed. God bless America, and God bless.